All right, everyone. Today we are going to be completing Lesson 3 in Booklet 5. That is answering word problems that have to do with restaurants. Now, in this lesson, make sure that you are reading the problem carefully, as there are some key words that if you miss, you'll get the answer wrong. So let's get started. Real-world problems involve multiple steps, and they often include all the information we've learned over the last 4 units, such as adding, taxes, and tips. The steps listed below will guide you through the process of working out restaurant money situations. Example 1 is the following scenario. You and 2 friends go to the Hamburger Hut after the KCI basketball game. You have an egg salad sandwich, a bowl of vegetable soup, and a glass of milk. Congratulations on being healthy. Your friends, however, each have a chicken sandwich, French fries, and a root beer. What is the total cost of dinner for you and your friends with a 15% tip and 13% tax? Well, before the tip and the tax, we need to add up the total bill. So that's step 1. So let's make a list here of what we are purchasing. Now, ourselves, we have an egg salad sandwich, we have vegetable soup, and we have a glass of milk. So let's go over to the menu that we used in the previous lesson and see if we can find those, starting with an egg salad sandwich. So here we have cold sandwiches on the right, and the egg salad sandwich is right here. That is $3.85. So we write down $3.85. Vegetable soup. Let's see if we can find our soups. Yep, soups are right over here in the bottom right, and vegetable soup is $1.35. And finally, milk to drink. That is right over here. That is $1.10. Good. Now, this is all one bill, you and your 2 friends. So let's see what our friends purchased. They each have a chicken sandwich, French fries, and a root beer. So we need to take each of these items and multiply them by 2 because we went to the Hamburger Hut with 2 friends. So that means that we have a chicken sandwich times 2. All right, how much is a chicken sandwich? We have hot sandwiches over here. Doesn't look like it's under the hot sandwiches. Here it is under cold sandwiches. A chicken sandwich is $4.25. So we're going to take $4.25. We're going to multiply that by 2 to get our pricing of $8.50. Next, we have French fries. Also times 2. Now, French fries probably in the sides. Yep, here it is. French fries are $2.20 each. So that is 2.25 times 2. French fries are going to cost us 5. Nope, that's incorrect. French fries are going to cost us $4.50. Finally, they both got a root beer, so that is going to be root beer times 2. where our drinks are here at the bottom. Root beer is $1.23. So 1.23 times 2, that is going to cost us $2.46. So what we're going to do is we're going to add all of these numbers together. You can do so by hand, or as usual, you can use a calculator in this unit. So we are going to, what's going on? We are going to add the bill for a subtotal. I should be writing subtotal over here. Give me a second to use my calculator, 3.85 plus 1.35 plus 1.1 plus 8.5 plus 4.5 plus 2.46. Our subtotal is going to be $21.76. Great. Now, they asked us for the total cost of dinner with a 15% tip and 13% tax. All right. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to calculate the tax. Then we're going to calculate the tip. But both of them are going to be calculated based off of the subtotal. So let's start with our tax. Tax is 0.13, 13%, and 13% of 2176 is, let me use my calculator, $2.83. Now, I did round to get that, so make sure that you're doing the same, rounding to the nearest cent. Next, we're going to use the same subtotal, $21.76, and multiply that by 0.15. We're paying an extra 15%. That is for a tip for our server. 0.15 times 21.76 gives us $3.26. Again, I rounded that, so make sure you're doing the same. Now that we've calculated the tax and the tip, let's add both of them to our subtotal. That's $21.76 plus $2.83 plus $3.26. Sorry, I'm just using a calculator here. Bringing us to a total of $27.85. So before tip and tax was $21.76, after was $27.85, and that answers question A, which was, what is the total cost of dinner? I'm just going to rewrite here, $27.85. Now, that is question A, done, check. Question B says you decide to split the bill in 3 ways. How much will your share be? Keyword split means to divide. We're dividing this in 3 ways. So step 5 to answer question B is to divide the total cost by the number of group members. So total cost was $27.85. Divide that by 3, which was the number of group members, and using a calculator, we get $9.28. That is after rounding, $9.28 each. So not so bad. After we split it 3 ways, it cost us each less than $10. As usual, if you have any questions, please let me know. Take some time to complete the worksheet for Lesson 3, also using the Hamburger Hut menu. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions.